Hello all, welcome to Civil Highways. In this video, I'll simply show how to create a report of existing elevations and design elevations of a particular alignment. Okay, so for that, you should have a center line. Okay, nothing but alignment, horizontal alignment, and vertical alignment should be completed. And then go to geometry, and then here can see the report. Various types of report options are there. The best one is always go with station based report. Why? Because here you can give a particular interval also. Okay, so I'm choosing a 1 meter interval and then select the proper alignment, and then you have to select again the same element because normally this report is useful while you have any elements like carriageway aids and earth and shoulder and earthwork. You will get all levels in a single report. Okay, but right now I want particularly for center line, so you have to choose same again. Okay, and then right click. See, now the report got generated. So in these there are various types of reports are there. Okay, station offset smoothing, all those, but the correct one we need is station base cross slope. Okay, in this one you will get chain edge wise, and then ground elevation you will get, that is what required, and then existing elevation, so that accordingly you can calculate earthworks and for rough estimation you can use this. Okay, so that's it. Okay, uh, I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.